of the following function. 3s plus 7 divided by s square minus 2s minus 3. Here we have to find L inverse of 3s plus 7 divided by s square minus 2s minus 3. Okay, first we factorize the denominator. Okay, 3s plus 1 divided by s square minus 2s minus 3 is equal to 3s plus 1 divided by, factor of this is s minus 3 into s plus 1. Okay, this is the factors of s square minus 2s minus 3. Next we write it into partial fraction, that is we write it as a by first factor, that is s minus 3, okay, plus b by second factor, that is s plus 1. From this we write a into, cross multiply s plus 1, a into s plus 1 plus b into s minus 3, okay, divided by s minus 3 into s plus 1, okay. Putting this as equation number 1. From this we write 3s plus 1 is equal to a into s plus 1 plus b into s minus 3. So we write 3s plus 1 is equal to a into s plus 1 plus b into s minus 3. Okay. In this equation we put s is equal to minus 1. Okay. We get b. Okay. 3 into minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to a into minus 1 plus 1 plus b into minus 1 minus 3. Okay, we get here minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2, that is equal to here minus 1 plus 1 0, b into minus 4, that is minus 4b. Okay, here negative get cancelled, we get 4b is equal to 2, that is b is equal to 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. We get b is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, b is equal to 1 by 2. Next we put s is equal to 3. We get a. Okay, s is equal to 3. That is we write 3 into 3 plus 1, that is equal to a into 3 plus 1. Okay, plus b into 3 minus 3, that is 0. We get a. Okay, that is 9 plus 1, that is equal to 4a. 10 is equal to 4a. From this we write 4a is equal to 10. That implies a is equal to 10 by 4. That is equal to 5 by 2. Now we get a is equal to 5 by 2. We substitute the value of a is equal to 5 by 2, b is equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1. We get 3s plus 1 ts plus 1 divided by s square minus 2s minus 3 is equal to, here a is 5 by 2. So we write 5 by 2 into 1 by s minus 3. Okay, plus here b is 1 by 2. We write 1 by 2 into 1 by s plus 1. Now we get 3s plus 1 divided by s square minus 2s minus 3 is equal to 5 by 2 into 1 by s minus 3 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by s plus 1. Okay, putting L inverse both sides we get L inverse of 3s plus 1 divided by s square minus 2s minus 3 equal to 5 by 2 into L inverse of 1 by s minus 3 plus 1 by 2 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 1. Okay, we know that L inverse of 1 by s minus a is equal to e raised to at. Using this result we write it as 5 by 2 into, here L inverse of 1 by s minus 3, here a is 3, so we write here e raised to 3t. Okay, plus 1 by 2 into, here L inverse of 1 by s plus 1, here a is minus 1, so we write here e raised to minus t. That is equal to 5 e raised to 3t divided by 2 plus e raised to minus t divided by 2. That is equal to, we write 5 e raised to 3t plus e raised to minus t divided by 2. Clear? Find the inverse Laplace transform of the following function. 3s plus 1 divided by s minus 1 into s square plus 1. Here we have to find L inverse of 3s plus 1 divided by s minus 1 into s square plus 1. First we write 3s plus 1 divided by s minus 1 into a square plus 1 into partial fraction. That is, we write here a divided by first factor s minus 1 plus next factor is s square plus 1. Here the power of s is 2. Okay, so we write numerator bs plus c divided by this factor, that is s square plus 1. Rows multiply, we get a into s square plus 1 plus bs plus c into s minus 1. Okay, s minus 1 divided by the denominator s minus 1 into s square plus 1. Okay, here we compare the numerators, that is a into s square plus 1 plus bs plus c into s minus 1 is equal to 3s plus 1. Putting it as equation number 1. Okay, then we compare the numerator, that is 3s plus 1 is equal to a into s square plus 1 plus bs plus c into s minus 1. Okay, putting s is equal to 1 in this equation, s is equal to 1. We get here 3 into 1, that is 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is equal to here a into s square, that is 1 square plus 1, that is 2 into 2. Okay, plus here s minus 1, that is 1 minus 1, 0, that becomes 0. Okay, we get here 2a is equal to 4, that is a is equal to 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. We get a is equal to 2. Next we put s is equal to 0 in this equation. Okay, we get here 3 into 0, that is 0. 1 is equal to here s square, that is 0 square, 0 plus 1, 1, that is a plus here s is 0, b becomes 0, that is c into minus 1. Okay, 1 is equal to here a is 2 minus c. Okay, that is we get minus c is equal to 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. We get c is equal to 1. Okay, that is we get c is equal to 1. Next we compare the coefficient of s square. Okay, here the coefficient of s square is 0. So we write here 0 is equal to, here the coefficient of s square, here a. Okay, here b s into s, that is b s square, here b. That is a plus b is equal to 0. We write b is equal to minus a. We know that a is equal to 2, so we write here minus 2. Now we get b is equal to minus 2. Okay. Substitute the value of a, b, c in this equation. We get 2 divided by s minus 1 plus here b is minus 2. So we write minus 2 plus here c is 1. 1 divided by s square plus 1. Split this term. We get 2 divided by s minus 1 minus 2s divided by s square plus 1 plus 1 by s square plus 1. Now we get 3s plus 1 divided by s minus 1 into s square plus 1 is equal to 2 divided by s minus 1 minus 2s divided by s square plus 1 plus 1 by s square plus 1. Apply L inverse both sides. We get L inverse of 3s plus 1 divided by s minus 1 into s square plus 1. Okay, that is equal to 2 into L inverse of 1 by s minus 1, okay, minus 2 into A inverse of s divided by s square plus 1 plus A inverse of 1 by s square plus 1. Next we write it as here 2 into A inverse of 1 by s minus 1. We know that A inverse of 1 by s minus a is equal to e raised to at. Here a is equal to 1. So we write here 2 into e raised to at, that is 1t, e raised to t, okay, minus 2 into, here A inverse of s divided by s square plus 1, that is 1 square, okay. We know that A inverse of s divided by s square plus a square is equal to cos at. Here a is equal to 1. So we write here cos 1t, that is cos t. Next one is L inverse of 1 by s square plus 1. It is of the form L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square is equal to 1 by a into sin at. Here a is equal to 1. So we write here 1 by a, that is 1 by 1, that is 1. We write here sin at, that is sin t. Okay. Now we get 2 e raised to t minus 2 cos t plus sin t. Therefore we get plus 1 into s minus 1 into s square plus 1 is equal to 2 e raised to t minus 2 cos t plus sin t. Clear?